Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Global Happiness Today TV. It is one thing to talk about propaganda. It's another thing to face the harsh reality of our time. Um, 5th of December 2020, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu took pains to launch ESN, that's Eastern Security Network. It wasn't long after that the Southeastern governors gathered together and also deliberated on forming a regional outfit they codenamed Ebubago. Months after, they decided to launch Ebubago. Permit me to use the word prematurely, and a lot of people were wondering what outfit is the original regional security outfit for Southeast. Fast forward till now, Southeast now is ravaged with so much insecurity. The question is, where is Ebubago? Of course, Ohanes and Dibo have decided to do the needful, and the needful now is what we're about to hear. Before we go to the news proper, I would like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as you update our channel on YouTube. Well, Ohanes Ndibo, the apex social cultural organization of the Southeast, has charged the governors of the zone that Southeast to float the proposed Ebubago security outfit to ameliorate the insecurity challenges in the zone before the end of the year. President General of Igbo Group, otherwise known as Professor George Obiozo, disclosed this on Friday in his Christmas and New Year message to Ndibo in Owerri. He said, and I quote, Ohaneze Ndibo worldwide calls upon the governors of the Southeast to keep their promise by rolling out the security outfit Ebubago before December 31st, 2021, which means as at 2020 and as at January 2021, Ebubago was just an ideology. Let's continue with the news. This will go a long way to enhance security situation in the Southeast. All right, but Nigerians have decided to look at the news with a pinch of salt. Permit me to use the word pinch of salt because, hey, we've been hearing about Ebubago. They codenamed it ESN as well, as an Ebubago security outfit. ESN. And we have Eastern Security Outfit, ESN. A lot of people came out then and were saying, why now? When ESN also came on board, a lot of Indians, unfortunately and also fortunately, they actually embraced the ESN of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu more because they felt they could really relate to them. Ebubago was more like an ideology. We saw uniforms, we saw some young men wearing uniforms. They said they've gotten them vehicles, and a lot of persons were also waiting for Ebubago security outfit to be given a legal backing in the various legislative moves of various legislative chambers in the whole region, that's Abia, Imo, Ebonyi, Enugu, and the rest. But they were almost following suit with what Amotekun then the Southwest were trying to do or what did then, but eventually it didn't materialize. After a while, Ebubago became more like a flimsy idea. Yes, we saw a lot of pictures of Ebubago coming up, a lot of young men flaunting the brown khaki of Ebubago uniform. But after a while, we also heard that they were busy. Some persons said it was more of a political security outfit than the real deal. Right now, propaganda, we are now seeing the harsh reality facing us in the faces, because it is wanted to say, yes, we have flaunted one security outfit, regional security outfit, codenamed ESN, Ebubago security outfit, but the security in this southeastern zone is getting out of hand. We're having issues of insecurity. People kept on asking questions. Where is Ebubago? And that has sparked a lot of reactions. We're going to take a quick section of what Nigerians are saying, cut across board. This one here is saying, since how long have these people in the south is parading themselves as executive governors been making noise about Ebube Mkpe without anything to show for it? Please, which one is Ebube Mkpe? Which one is Ebube Mkpe again? I know of Ebube Mkpe. I know of Ebubago. That's I think Glory of the Tiger or Glory of the Lion. I don't know which one, but I know it's Glory of one of the cat animals, cat family. This one here is saying, I don't think Southeast needs the so-called Ebubago because those that brought them will never allow it to work, including this man that is calling for it. As in, they're saying that Professor Bios will not allow it to work. Of course, let's tell ourselves the truth. Right now, every security outfit will matter because going into 2022 with the level of insecurity, honestly, every region needs as much of state policing as they can, because the truth of the matter is we are having insecurity situation in our hands. And so if you want to listen, if you go ahead listen to news coming from the northern part, you will feel for them, and it's gradually moving from northern to southern part. So we've gotten ample time, permit me to use the word ample time, to begin to keep our house in order. What do I mean? If the north were caught unawares with insecurity, the south must not be caught unawares with insecurity, because they have been hearing what bandits have been doing every day in the northern part of the country. So we mustn't be caught unawares, which means it gives us ample time to have vigilantes, to have state policing, security outfit, even regional security outfit. Peradventure, if the military, the army, the police are already choked up and jumped up with so much activities in their hands, we will not be left alone to the messes at the messes of this bandit. So which means our all hands need to be on deck. The governors need to begin to look inwards, to a security outfit, that you don't need to wait for the final approval from the presidency for them to release personnel to come to your aid, or the aid of your state, or the aid of your people. What does it mean? Okay, yes, we still have the police helping from time to time, as the guys who have been shadowed with the responsibility of taking care of the internal securities, while the military is to take care of our borders and ensure that our sovereignty is protected. But while we are at it, how many policemen do we have cut across the federation that will take care of 200 million, over 200 million Nigerians? Well, come on, let's be realistic. We need state policing, we need vigilante, we need regional policing, regional security outfit. Now the question is, will Ebubago come out from the mirage it is to become a true regional security outfit? And a lot of people are asking, if Ebubago will come out of that mirage, will they be truly serving the people, or will it be a political tool or a political security outfit only meant or being useful to those who created them, or probably to witch hunt those who do not agree with their ideology? But it will be that as it may. Right now, the Southeast need all forms of security they can get, even if Ebubago needs to come into bear. Of course, they need training and retraining, yes, but right now, all hands, honestly, needs to be on deck to cut the issue of insecurity from spreading beyond what it is right now. That is where we're going to wrap it up. Let's meet in our comment section. What's your take? The question again is, where is